In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add collaborators in Miro. Whether you're working with your team across the globe or just need to get input from your colleagues on a project, being able to easily share your Miro board is a great way to enhance collaboration. Let's walk through the steps together, and by the end of this video, you'll be inviting collaborators like a pro, all in just about 5 minutes. To start off, you'll need to head over to the Miro website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing miro.com into the address bar. Once the website loads, navigate your attention to the top right corner of the page where you'll see the login option. Go ahead and click on it. If you already have a Miro account, you're probably familiar with this page. Next, you'll want to click on the Google button. It's located on the login interface and is a convenient way to access your boards if you've registered using your Google account. After clicking, you'll be prompted to select your Google account if you aren't already logged in. Pick the account that's linked to your Miro. This will lead you directly into the main Miro dashboard where all the magic happens. Now that you're in, find the board you want to share with others. Ensure that it's the one you wish to collaborate on. Look up to the top right section of your screen. There you'll find the Share button. It's pretty straightforward. Click on Share to open a new dialog box. Once the sharing options unfold, you'll see a field where you can type in the email address of the person you wish to collaborate with. This is where you specify who gets to view or edit your board. Carefully type in the email address and double-check spelling to ensure it's correct. After entering the necessary email addresses, it's time to send out those invitations. Right beside where you entered the email, you'll spot the Send Invitations button. Click on that and Miro will shoot out an invitation to your designated collaborators. They'll receive an email notification with a link that allows them access to your board. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully invited collaborators to work on your Miro board. This is a great way to enliven your projects with insights and contributions from others, enhancing your workflow and productivity. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below. Happy collaborating on your Miro boards, and until next time, keep creating and innovating.